guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright guys, today is Christmas Eve. Sort of sneaking into the shop today to see if I can get my dad's engine built today. Promised him way back I was gonna build him an engine, and we kind of got carried away with customer work, so we didn't get around his engine done. So today I'm gonna build his engine, put it on a little roller, and sneak under the Christmas tree tonight so my dad can have it for tomorrow morning for Christmas. It's not gonna be the car running, but at least he'll have the engine under the Christmas tree. I gotta clean the side seals, I gotta put bearings, clean the engine, paint the engine, assemble it all before 5 o'clock. And I'm starting late, so we had a lot to do. So this is already clearance. Everything's a little dirty, so I have to clean it now. But before that, I have to put in new bearings on it. These aren't really bad, but no, my dad, he's probably gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna put new bearings in there, putting race bearings because it's an older generation rotor. This is a GSLC rotor. So I gotta put in bearings, clean it really good, then do the oil seals. This engine is literally a 6-port with a lot of porting done to it. You can see I open up the holes right there. So 6-port, ported with a little bit extra, which is the semi-peripheral ports. These aren't the traditional ones we use. These were made way back in the 90s by one of my friends. So we're just gonna reuse some of my dad's engine. It's an RX-8 crank, RX-8 stationary gears, old school 13B, 12A, aluminum flywheel, balanced to its own kind of weight, with GSLC rotors that are side clearance and balance. Next up, what I have to do is finally do the final assembly of the rotors. The first thing I'll do is put the O-rings on for the oil control seals, and then put in the seals. 6 hours later, I'm done prepping the whole engine. Had to clean the plates, put the bearings in. So I ended up customizing bearings for the RSA gears, just because they're race clearance bearings that were for an FC, and I made them fit into an RX-8 stationary gear. It's a little bit different. Had to re-drill some holes, so now they work perfectly. Now we're ready to start building the engine. Just like that, the engine's built. So I just gotta dress it up. I'm gonna put the flywheel on it, the front cover on, and that's about it. And throw in the truck. I'm late right now. I need to get home. I gotta put this thing under the Christmas tree still before my dad gets up. So I gotta sneak it in the house somehow without messing up his floors. So I gotta put this on a roller, put it in the truck somehow, and head home. I've been here all day just for his engines. I hope I get the reaction I want out of him. He might be mad because it took me like a year to get it done, but I literally built him an engine that was out of budget, like completely out of budget. The money he gave me to build him an engine, that we spent that on half of the parts for this engine. All right, this is another one of the little touches that I'm doing to the engine. These are commonly found in Turbo 2 because the drain hits the oil pump. It comes with that plate and just helps reduce the radiation of the oil. So since this engine is turbo prepped and the oil return is gonna literally hit that, so I can literally help it out a little bit in case my dad wants to go turbo. Snuck into the house, have it on some rollers, and I just gotta wrap it up, stuff under the tree, and wait till tomorrow morning. I also ended up getting him this. It's pretty cool. Overall sander, just because he wants to start working on his cars. So there you go. Merry Christmas. The motor's in there, snuck it in. Everyone's asleep, so it's gotta wait till tomorrow now. And it's got this box the way I made it. All you do is literally just pull it up and you can see it. It's gotta wait till the morning now.